Addressing about 800 delegates of both countries at the ceremony, Deputy Prime Minister Wang Dinghui welcomed the largest ever Japanese delegation attending an exchange program so far. We stressed that the workshops and forums held this time are occasions for relevant agencies, localities, organizations and businesses to seek concrete measures for boosting the two economies' connectivity, thereby opening up new cooperation chances and fostering substantive links. For his part, Nikai Toshihiro, Secretary General of the Liberal Democratic Party of Japan and Chairman of the Japan-Vietnam Friendship Parliamentary Alliance, said he hopes through this series of events, localities and businesses of the countries will form many partnerships, and participants will better understand the two governments' policies, regulations and incentives so as to boost cooperation in the future. Also on January 13th, Deputy Prime Minister Hui and Nikai attended the launching ceremony of Vietjet Air's new routes to Japan.